Hi, good day, Alex from Internet Well Secret. In this debut video, I would like to share with you on one of these collection of high quality marketing template. Okay, it can be edited using just a normal PowerPoint. There's no software to buy. You don't have to depend on any software to actually to come up with all these template or edit the template, because all this is high quality design package marketing kit, right? So there's no complicated software additional plugin. No need to buy an extra additional image, video effect or background whatsoever. It's all come together in a PowerPoint format, right? You can freely edit using any PowerPoint, right? So the fully edited PowerPoint, no After Effects, no Adobe Premiere, and no additional plugin required. Okay, it's very straightforward. The step-by-step tutorial. It can help to create eye-catching video and graphics in minute, right? Okay, so there's no dependency on any other software here, right? So just take a look into this. Okay, let me show you from this page here, right? Okay, so this is basically the sales page of this, right? You can create high quality animated video and graphic design content in minutes, right? By just using a PowerPoint. Okay, so it's full edited in PowerPoint, no After Effects, no Adobe Premiere, no any software required for this, right? Right. Okay, let me also quickly show to you some of the template that come together under this script package, right? So basically there are a few categories here. First is a movie style video template. You can see, can have a look out to this, right? Okay, so you can have a look into this. This is one of the sample here, right? I can show you exactly how it looks like. It's a very high quality template. You can actually use this template to all kind of marketing, business presentation, right? Okay, so give the audience a good feelings, and it's going to create a lot of engagement effect. Also make people attracted to the content of presenting. Ultimately, it's going to help you to make more sales and more out of this kind of presentation template, right? So this one of the example. There are many examples here. You can see. We also have a corporate videos. If you're in the corporate world, you want to do some presentation, a business presentation, workshop, whichever things you want to do, right? Okay, you can make use of this template example. For this one, you can have a look also, right? I will quickly go through on this template. Something is a corporate company's company style template. It's really high quality template, right? Okay, there's no job here. Okay, so we also have some other design square videos template example. Have a look onto this also. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, all this template, high quality template. Okay, so it's all very high quality, and we have also vertical video template also. Okay, so you can have a look also here. Okay, so this is really eye-catching template, and we also have, furthermore, you can have a look in intro video template also, and we have an outro video template, and also there's a square banner app also. This is a banner app. You can actually easily edit this all this using the PowerPoint only, right? And vertical banner app also, right? All this you can use it for your marketing promotional material by using all these things, premium poster, flyer design. You want to do some flyer, marketing flyer or poster, you can, there's a template that come together. YouTube's the thumbnail design also, nice looking YouTube thumbnail design. Okay, so this is basically what is offered in this whole package, right? Okay, so let's quickly go through, take you to this my review page of this the movies. Okay, so this is a high quality effect design marketing kit, right? Okay, so this is let's take a look into this. UntitledChapter is a creator of all this template. Okay, the front end will start at $17, $17, right? So the movie Volume 3 is the best new animated movie style and graphic template CD to create eye-catching and high-quality social media content. Okay, so all template made from PowerPoint without additional complicated software. Right? So I'm sure everyone have a PowerPoint software installed of your laptop or PC. So in making the editing of this is so simple and so straightforward, right? Okay, so what are the movies OTO? So front end, you can see this name sales pricing start at 1767, and you have 35 OTO, which is a pro upgrade version. This have more also this have more template, and also we have the OTO 200 plus premium cinematics video graphic template, right? Okay, so we have a 400 plus high quality done from you graphic and video templates also under the big bundle template. Okay, so if you are someone doing a marketing, so a business presentation, I suggest you may want to get everything here, because this is only one time cost and going to use this for lifetime for all kind of presentation and get you a lot of lead and sales, right? Okay, so this is some of my reviews comment here, right? Okay, so a marketer that you find research on the internet to get largest traffic source and great value, but now you need simple marketing to deliver a message. Right? The problem is this kind of template, if you are to buy from Fiverr, is going to, or you hire someone to design the template, they're going to charge you really high price, right? But with all this template in place, right, you can create high quality video and graphic like a pro, right? Okay, now so the TheMovid is a solution to create high quality video and graphic content easily, right? Okay, without you leveraging buy any software whatsoever, right? Okay, so I will also include some of the video template here just for your reference, right? Okay, right. So this is to sum up. This is a high quality fat design marketing kit, right? So no job here. So let me also quickly take you through to my bonuses package here. Bonus one, you're going to get SmartSlide Pro. Okay, this is another bunch of PowerPoint designs, new presentation template, marketing version template. They got 1,600, right? This is another my great collection of the marketing kit, right? Which I think so in a nutshell, you'll be getting a collection from TheMovid, and you'll also be getting my large collection of under this SmartSlide Pro 1,600 new presentation marketing version template. Also can be edited with PowerPoint. This is even have more mockup, right? Mockup, there's a lot of mockup and presentations like and marketing's showcase. Everything can be done using this also package, right? So this is you, but I would like you to actually take this front end. Any of the OTO you're going to get this. This is not a small bonus, right? Bear in mind, just the bonus of the launch is going to cost me 1,000 to get this SmartSlide mockup, right? Okay, all this together is going to be free for you, right? Also, you'll be getting Smarty Builder on other bonuses. E-commerce builder software, and you're also going to get a funnel kit like a quick funnels. You're actually going to get $99 for click funnel, but you're going to get this funnel kit free from me, whereby it comes with the sales page, funnel page, and delivery page all together. Also, you're going to get the affiliate marketing training course, how to make 10,000 online following with this simple principle, right? Okay, and VidSpark video questionnaire for more traffic lead and sales, right? Okay, and also we have a BotEngage, is a chatbot questionnaire for more traffic lead and sales. All this water traffic cloud app, also you'll be getting as part of the bonuses. SnapIshot is a free store builder, and you're going to get a 50 free traffic source. You don't know, you can use this traffic to promote any kind of product, any niches, right? By leveraging of this 15 free traffic source, you don't have to buy any paid app. And also training how to make money on the without selling anything, right? And also Jono Armstrong's Neil Nova, the how to get free traffic for TikTok. This is also applicable for any niche, right? Okay, so also you're going to get a Jono Instagram traffic app, JavaScript commission bot, how to grow your Instagram follower by using this JavaScript commission bot also. Also, you're going to get double, triple website traffic sale and sale. This is a trick I've been using for my website and page, how to double and triple your sales, right? Also, you also to get my really mega bonus giveaway under here, whereby you're going to get all this from me also, right? Okay, so you're going to get things like email swap, 300 email, 3,000 complete email marketing with software, and over 100 traffic software also come together. Opt-in and lead magnet capture page also come together, and on top of that, you're going to get a 80 make money online video training courses from Jonah Armstrong and Brennan, which is also part of these bonuses. All this is a very high quality. Their previous product which is very high quality, and you're going to get this as part of these bonuses, right? So it is no joke here. You're going to get a lot of bonuses from me, but the biggest here is this one. You're going to get this. Just this one, they have 1,600 presentation marketing brochure template. This for you together. It's going to actually to boost the your marketing content kit and marketing template, right? Okay, so you're going to take a lot of advantage from these bonuses alone, right? All right. So that is my presentation today about the movie. So it's very cool, powerful content, marketing content pack, right? You should actually don't miss, right? Okay, as a marketer or as a business people, you should be actually leveraging all these marketing kit to make you a good presentation and sales presentation, and to convince your lead, turn them into a buyer, and also make a lot of profit and sales, right? Okay, let me, before I end today's presentation, let me also show to you how much people is charging in Fibers to provide this kind of template of services, right? You can quickly take a look at this marketing. Okay, marketing. So let's say have a marketing presentation. Okay, just type something like that. You're going to have a look into this. Okay, so you can see this one. Then have a look into this. Okay, and you can also have this presentation page, right? You see how much people are charging for all this kind of thing. It's no joke, right? So you can see marketing like presentation. I can see there's $100. So this one is cheapest one, and take a look into this yourself. 15 slide, they're charging you $695, right? Okay, the 2 order. Okay, and this one they are charging 280 for basic, and up to 880. That is crazy price, right? Okay, so you can take a look. There are people offering this kind of services in the Fiber, right? So by leveraging all of this collection, you're going to save you a lot of cost, right? Okay, so that's the truth is here. People are charging really high to design this kind of template. So by leveraging on all this collection, you don't have to hire the designer. You can save you a lot of cost, right? Okay, this is a fantastic part of this template collection, right? Okay, so that's it for my presentation today. Click the link below this video and you're going to come to this review page. Just click on this orange button and block now all my bonuses and early bird price of just $17, right? And also optionally you can take some of the OTO which have a more template for you, right? Okay, so I think that is going to benefit you for a long term, right? All right, thank you, and do have a nice day. Bye bye.